Hello students, welcome back to the online English class. In this video, we are going to understand the second part of our lesson, My Financial Career. So far we have seen our writer enters the bank. In the bank, he tries to meet the manager because someone told him to meet manager to open bank account. But actually it is not needed. Then also he goes to meet. Then what happens? He goes to accountant and asks, can I meet the manager and alone? Then what happens? The the accountant arranges a meeting with the manager. Then manager comes out of the cabin and asks to the writer what does he want to talk with him. Then now what happens when manager comes in front of the writer? What does the writer ask? Can I see you? I asked. Alone? I did not want to say alone again. Means our writer says here alone. I want to meet you. I see you means can I meet you alone. So alone word he didn't want to say. Then also he said due to fear. And here what happened? Can I see you? These words are also not required because already the manager is there. So the writer thinks that if I said can I see you, it is very clear that I am seeing him now also. This is why he said alone, because he wanted to add that he wants to meet the manager in alone without the presence of any other person. Then what happens? But without it the thing seemed obvious. So it was looking obvious that manager was present. This is why our writer said, I want to meet you alone. Alone, he added. The manager looked at me in some alarm. In some alarm, alarm means in some caution. He felt that I had a terrible secret to reveal. A terrible secret means a fearful, dreadful secret is there, and the writer is going to reveal it. Writer is going to tell it to the manager. This is why the writer is asking the manager to come alone. So, come in here, he said, and led the way to a private room. Now the manager takes him to a private room. He turned the key in the lock. Then he turned the lock off, means he locked the door. Then he says, the manager says, we are safe from interruption here. Interruption means the interference by other people in some work, in any work. He said, and sit down. Then he says, sit down to our writer. We both sat down and looked at each other. I found no voice to speak. I found no voice to speak means he had nothing to speak. Our writer, because he was in fear. Actually, he wanted to open the account, and here, due to his fear, he said one, two words more. Can I see you alone? Such words to the manager, and this is why the manager is thinking that the writer is someone special person. He may be a policeman, a detective, or a very rich person, and he has something very terrible, dangerous, secret thing to tell. But it did not happen. You are one of Pinkerton's men, I suppose, he said. He said, means the manager said, you are Pinkerton's men. Pinkerton's is the agency of perhaps the agency of uh, detectives. So he thinks he is a detective. Then he had gathered from my mysterious manner that I was a detective. Mysterious manner means the writer is telling that alone I want to say you something. So this manner tells that writer is a detective or any agent, and he wants to tell that something problem is there in the bank, but it was not the case actually. I knew what he was thinking, and it made me worse. So the writer knew that the bank manager is thinking that I am a police or I am a detective, And this is why the writer's fear increased more, because writer was not a detective. No, not from Pinkertons, I said, seeming to suggest that I came from a rival agency. Here, the writer is saying that no, not from Pinkertons. Means, writer should say no, I am not a detective. But he is saying not from Pinkertons. It means from some other. So this is why a doubt again remains here. Now next, to tell the truth, I went on as if I had been tempted to lie about it. I am not a detective at all. Now the writer says that to tell the truth, अगर मैं सच बोलूं तो I am not a detective at all. The writer is saying I am not a detective. I have come to open an account. I intend to keep all my money in this bank. Now the writer is saying that I have come to open the account. I want to keep all the money. So when the writer is saying he wants to keep all the money, the bank manager thinks that the money may be much, a huge big amount is there. This is why the writer wants to talk to the manager in alone. Now what happens? The manager looked relieved but still serious. Relieved means relaxed. The manager was relaxed because writer is not a detective and any problem is not there in the bank. Then also the manager was serious. Why? He concluded now that I was a son of Baron Rothschild or a young gold or Baron Raths. These people are very rich people and they have so many properties and much amount, and they deposit so much amount in the banks. This is why the writer says, the manager says, a large account, I suppose, he said. The manager says, a large account you want to open? No. So the writer says, fairly large, I whispered. I whispered means the writer said to himself in his mouth slowly. Means these words should not go up to the in front of person. Then what happens? I propose to deposit $56 now and $50 a month regularly. So this amount was big amount for the writer but not for the bank. So this much amount can be deposited by any accountant or any bank clerk, but our writer directly met to the bank manager. The manager got up and opened the door. He called to the accountant. Now what happened? The manager understood that writer is a fool. He just wants to deposit $56 and he is going to meet the manager, which is not required here. This is why the writer is a fool. So manager called the accountant to make this person out. Mr. Montgomery, he said unkindly loud. Unkindly loud means in anger. He said, obviously, because he came to know that uselessly the writer is taking his time. This gentleman is opening an account. He will deposit $56. Good morning. This much the manager said. It means whatever was the problem, the manager said to the accountant, and this problem was such can be solved at the level of accountant. Then also our writer came up to the manager. I rose means the writer got up from the seat. A big iron door stood open at the side of the room. A big iron door was also there, another safe room that opened. Then the writer thought that I should go from there, but it was not for writer. Good morning, I said and stepped into the safe. Now the writer is going towards the safe where all the money is deposited. Actually, he is to go outside. But that door opened, this is why the writer is going into that door. Come out, said the manager coldly and showed me the other way. The manager said, no, you come out, you cannot go in the safe, go the other way, which is going out of the bank, means out of the bank manager's cabin. I went up to the accountant's counter and pushed the ball of money at him with a sudden quick movement as if I were doing a conjuring trick. A conjuring trick means a magic trick. The ball of the money he pushed towards the accountant on his counter. Then what happened? My face was pale as death. Means when person dies, his face becomes colorless. Such face had become. Whose of writers? Then here I said deposit it. The tone of the words seemed to mean let us do this painful thing while we are in the mood for it. So the writer is depositing money and telling that take this, deposit this. And the happiness was not there on the face of the writer because this incident happened with the manager. And now what happens? He is depositing the money. He took the money and gave it to another clerk. The accountant took money, gave it to the another clerk. He made me write the sum on a piece of paper and signed my name in a book. So here what happened? A form, a procedure the writer had to carry out. So the form, the writer filled up the form. He gave the form. Then what happened? I no longer knew what I was doing. The bank was going round and round before my eyes. So here the bank was turning in front of the eyes of the writer because writer was in the fear and he was in the feeling of deconfidence, and this is why the bank was turning around his face. Is it deposited? I asked in a hollow, vibrating voice. In a hollow means empty voice. His voice was vibrating, not confident voice. Why vibrating? Because writer had fear. It is, said the accountant. Then I went to draw. Then I went to draw a check. Then I went to draw a check. I want to draw it should be. So then the writer wanted to withdraw the money, some money. My idea was to draw out $6 of it for present use. Someone gave me a check. Now you see, the writer deposited $56 and now he wants to draw just $6. But what happens? Out of fear, someone gave me a checkbook through a little window and someone else began telling me how to write it out. This is why when the writer wanted to withdraw $6, he took a checkbook from the another clerk. Then yet another clerk is helping the writer how to write the check. The people in the bank had the impression that I was a millionaire who had something wrong with him. Now the people in the bank are thinking that this man is withdrawing some money. Just before some time he deposited some money and now he is withdrawing. It means some problem is there with him, and he is a millionaire, a very big person, because he met to the bank manager directly. Then what happened? I wrote something on the check and thrust it in at the clerk. Thrust it means suddenly he gave it to the clerk and he wrote something. Something means actually due to fear he wrote something because he was thinking about the bank and the people. So he did not think what was he writing on the check. He looked at it. What? Are you drawing it all out again? Means all amount he wrote. The writer wrote all amount due to the fear on the check. This is why the manager is accountant is asking, do you want to withdraw all the amount again? He asked in surprise. Then I realized that I had written 56 instead of 6. So due to the fear, our writer wrote $56 instead of 6 on the checkbook. Means the total amount in his account was 56, just 56, and that also he is going to withdraw completely. I was too far gone to reason now. To reason now means to give a reason why I wrote. For that I had gone too far, means far away, and it was not a time to explain why I committed the mistake. This is why he continued his mistake. I had a feeling that it was impossible to explain the thing. All the clerks had stopped writing to look at me. Now, due to that thing, whatever the events are happening with the writer, due to that, all the clerks were looking at the writer. What is he doing? Depositing and withdrawing at the same time. Reckless with misery. Reckless means careless. With misery. Misery means sorrow. I made up my mind. He made up his mind means he decided. Yes, the whole thing. You withdraw your money from the bank, every cent of it. Writer saying every cent of it. Okay, I want to withdraw. Are you not going to deposit anymore? Said the clerk, astonished. Astonished means surprise. Never. Our writer is saying never. A foolish hope struck me that they might think something had insulted me. Now a foolish hope came to the writer. A foolish idea came in the mind of writer that I committed the mistake, but to cover up the mistake, now I should pretend, I should do the acting that something in the bank hurt me and this is why I want to withdraw all the amount. Insulted me while I was writing the check and that I had changed my mind. I made a wretched attempt. Wretched means a weak attempt to look like a man with a fearfully quick temper. Fearfully quick temper means a person who irritates very quickly, who becomes angry very quickly, and people fear to him due to this. That is fearfully quick tempered person. The clerk prepared to pay the money. How will you have it? Means how shall I give you the money? 10 notes, 5 notes, coins, or 50. The clerk prepared. Oh, I caught his meaning and answered without even trying to think in 50s. Without even trying to think means just he deposited $56 and he said that in 50s I want and here just 150 is possible because $56 are there. He gave me a $50 bill. Thereafter what happened means a note itself and the 6 he asked dryly means how to give $6. The accountant is asking to the writer. Writer says in sixes. I said in sixes means those 6 coins of dollars. He gave it to me and I rushed out. Rushed out means suddenly came out of the bank. As the big door swung behind me, big door was there. Swung means coming front and back and then closed. That door swung behind him, behind the writer. I caught the echo of a roar of laughter that went up to the ceiling of the bank. Ceiling means the roof. Up to the laughing sound went up to the ceiling means very loudly the bank people were laughing after listening this all, whatever happened. Since then, I bank no more. I bank no more means I deposit no more. I save money in the bank no more. I keep my money in cash in my trousers pocket and my savings in silver dollars in a sock which you wear in the leg. In that sock he used to keep his savings and whatever cash he wanted to spend that he used to keep in the pant trousers pocket. Stephen Leacock. So this is how our lesson was. Now the word bank, choose correct from the list. Thereafter this activity and question answers, this we will do in the next video. So if you have any doubts you can ask anytime. Have fun, take care, thank you so much.